How to create an event in a chat with someone on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Click on the chat where you want to create an event. Then, at the bottom, click on clip-like option, which is beside camera. Then you will find event at the last. Click on it. Now, you can simply type in event name at the top, select date, and press on OK. After that, you can select time as well. You can also add end time, add location, WhatsApp call link if necessary, and then press on arrow-like option at the bottom right, and you're good to go. This is how to create an event in a chat with someone on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.